Okay, so we're back in Python, and it's get choice that we are going to change. Now, if we follow the pseudocode, we're just going to write a simple line called get choice. I'm going to get rid of this pass message. I'm going to show you something that I generally do when I know we've got a function that we're going to return something. Okay, I actually put some code in. So choice equals, I don't know, let's just choose any value. I'm going to choose nothing at all. Or actually, let's choose 0. And then it will re-show the menu if nothing happens. Then I'm going to return that choice back to the program. I've done no programming whatsoever, and this isn't in my design, but it's something that I tend to do whenever I use a function. What happens if we don't change this, or we could run into a problem when we try to return something if it hasn't been set. So I'm setting it before we go in into the function, just to make sure that it has a value. So now I'm going to write my line of code that we did previously. Let's just see, I'm not sure if I got the right value for that. That's it. I'm going to write that line, so I'm going to say choice equals input because we want a number. And now I've got to think of a useful message to type into here. Please enter your choice from the menu. I'm going to leave a little space. I tend to write little arrows at the end so they know they've got to actually type something in, and then leave a space at the end so it doesn't all bunch up. And close it. That is my program. So this will appear on the screen. Please enter your choice from the menu. That will be stored in choice. That will be returned to the calling program, or to the caller, which is right here, choice equals get choice. And again here, choice equals get choice. So let's see that in action. Let's save our program and try and run it. So file and save. So I've got two things now. I've got show menu, and then I've got get choice. So it should do something. It won't do a lot, it won't play a game, but we'll see what it can do. So I'm going to press F5. There we go. And there's our main menu, and now it's waiting for a choice from the menu. So if I press 1, it just shows me the main menu again. Okay, we can see the effect here of sort of not having a line or a print statement between these two. I'll leave that up to you if you want one in. But it's now waiting for another choice. So I'm going to press 2. Got an error? No, that's not my error. That is Python itself playing about. So let's run the program again. Let's try 2. There we go. It's waiting for another one. Let's press 1 again, make sure it works. Let's press 4, which isn't in the menu. Let's see what happens. Okay, that seems good. And let's press 3 to quit. And there we go, it's quit the program, and thanks for playing. So we have a working menu. Right, I'm going back to what I said earlier. I'm going back into my program. Rather than type this, okay, I'm going to change what happens. I'm actually going to pass in a value called a message. A variable called a message. And what I expect to happen is, instead of just leaving this blank here, get choice, I'm going to put that message in there. So if I copy that and paste it into get choice, and if you remember we had 2 of them, so I can put it there as well. And instead of having these words, use the argument from here, message, instead. Now that means that I can use this function more than once now. I've just got to change the message I send in. So when we said get new size, if I'm in get new size inside here, one of the things I can do is call this function again, get choice. Okay, so get new size will probably print a different menu on the screen, say print submenu, choose a size between 5 and 10, and then get choice would work. So a little bit difficult to understand, but I'm reusing this. So just having the one line of code, although it was one line of code and you could have just used that instead of this, I've turned it into a function so that you can use it over and over again. Right, let's just make sure we save the work and then we can move on.